Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing this trending gele. It's a half round gele and half fan on yourself. So the ratio for this gele is of 45-55. So right now I'm just making pleats using the fan method, and once I'm through with that, I'm going to be extending the pleats to the end, as you can see in this video. Sorry, I had to rush the video because this video was like 11 minutes or so. Okay, so now I'm just going to place it on my head once I'm through with extending the pleats. And I'm through with that, I'm going to adjust it on my head. And then cross it at the back. Once I'm through with crossing it at the back, I'm going to shift it backwards and start bringing out the pleats one by one so that it will be visible and it will look good. So now I'm just going to take the longer part of the gele and start making my pleats. You can check that out in my previous video. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So right now what I'm trying to do is get the pleats correctly. Yeah, I'm going to be adjusting that. And you know, a little bit of adjustment, extending it to the end. Okay, now that I'm through with them, I'm going to be using an office pin to pin it right there. We're not taking the round pleats to the end. Like I said, it's half fan, half round gele or something like that. I don't know what style it's called, but we're just calling a half fan and half round. So I'm just going to be pinning that and then pinning it to the back of my head. Now you can see that the reason I left some space, a little space behind after making the pleats is so that I can be able to pin it easily. Because you see that as we pin it now, it doesn't come to the front like the normal gele. We take little bits to the back, and I'm just going to roll up the remaining parts and then just pin it again. and I'm going to right now just trying to extend it, because we didn't focus at the end that time. So right now I am going to start making the fan side. As you can see, I'm going to make at least 3 or 4 pleats before I start making the fan. Please take your time. The fan gele isn't actually one of my favorite geles to tie, because you need to be patient and take it step by step in order to get it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. Just take your time and tie this side. As you can see now, it's really coming out. Just take your time. Okay, so now that I'm through with that, I'm going to be pinning that side of the gele. Please remember that when it's a 45-55 ratio, the 55 ratio is for the round gele, while the 45 is for the fan. So after that, I'm going to pin it close to my head. At that time, that's when my uncle knew that he would come and disturb me and come and beat me. Just like finding trouble. I don't know why. So I'm just going to use office pin to pin that to the back, and then as you can see, the fan has come up. I looked at it, so I gave the round gele, the round part, a little raise. As you can see, I wasn't really satisfied with that, so I went in with another pin to pin that side of the fan so that it will come out nice. At this point, I was satisfied with it. So at this point, I wasn't satisfied, so I just tried to adjust it. So guys, this is the end of this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. You can follow me on Instagram, NikkiB303, on Facebook, Alma's Touch, and I'll see you guys in my next video. You can also direct message me to tell me what styles you want to see in my next video. And that's it for this video. Love you. Peace.